Okay, so now let's talk about 7.3 addition and subtraction with like denominator. Okay, so like with the same, right? With the same denominator, right? So everyone know that review. Everyone know that A over C plus B over C, right? Gonna be equal to A plus B over C. Remember that. Addition or subtraction with this, let me change this, plus and minus, right? With the same, okay, the same denominator, C here. Then you can just do the operation on the numerator and keep the denominator at the same. Okay, so let's do an example. One. So I have 3 out of 8 plus 4 out of 8. What is that going to be? Okay, so you want to do addition on the top, 3 plus 4, and keep the bottom. Then you have 7 over 8. This is answer. What about 12 over 5? So here's A, here's B. Minus 4, 7 over 5. Then what are you going to have? You're going to have 12 minus 7 divided by 5. 12 minus 7 is going to be 5, right? Divided by 5, then if you simplify, 5 divided by 5 equal to 1. So this answer, right? Okay. Let's move to the next page. So in adding, and subtracting rational expression with like denominator. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna still follow as A over B plus or minus I'm gonna read right here C, A over C plus B over C here gonna be equal to A plus and minus B over C, right? Okay, so let's have an easy example first as example 2. Let's say x over x plus 2 plus with 2 over x plus 2. What is that going to be? So I want in the rational, I want rational expression. I want everyone write with the parentheses, right? Now you're gonna keep the bottom as x plus 2, and what the top gonna be? X plus 2, right? See that? Now also gonna have parentheses. Now you see that, oh, there is common factor, and then you cancel it. Now what is that gonna be? Is that gonna be 0? No. In cancel of division is like 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1, right? This is just divided by itself. Division is gonna be equal to 1. Okay. B. What about let me see. What about if I have t squared plus t divided by t minus 1 plus with 1 minus 3t divided by 1 minus t minus 1. Okay. What it should do for this? Okay, I firstly gonna have a parentheses. I don't want to forget it. Okay, now I'm gonna have t squared plus t on the top plus with a 1 minus 3t, and then I divide by t minus t minus 1. Okay, so let's see what happened with the top. Because this is addition, so when I do the division, I can I need to circle this. Okay. So when I open the parentheses, I can just keep it the same as t squared plus t plus 1 minus 3t. Everything divided by t minus 1. I can keep the big parentheses outside over here. So now I have t squared stay, okay. T combined term with minus 3t is going to be negative 2t, okay, and then plus 1 divided by t minus 1. Make sure to have the parentheses. Okay, so what is the next step now? You want to think about, can we factor it, right? Can we factor the top? See, it is the trinomial, and actually it is in special case, it is like a perfect square. If you remember the formula, you can know that it's with t minus 1 square, and then t minus 1 over here. You can also apply the x method that I show you, right? It should be like top gonna be a times b, so a times c, 1 times 1 is 1, and then bottom is minus 2, b equal to negative 2. So two number is negative 1 and negative 1. And then it's going to be x minus 1 and x times x minus 1. Which is x minus 1 squared. So you're going to cancel the common factor, and you're going to have t minus 1 as the answer. Okay. So, yep. Anything else? I will have let me see. Let me have problem C, which have we're gonna have two. Oops. be green. What happened? Oh my God. Okay. So let me have C here. And in this column, I have like 1 over x minus y plus minus 1 over y minus x. Okay. In this case, firstly, I want to have the parentheses. Right? In this case, make sure you know that we have note that we have two variable. Right. Okay. Also, what else do you notice? Bottom, they are not the same right now, but uh, but you can um, change it later, right? You can change it to be equal each other by multiply by -1. So then it just is change the position of the x and y. So the bottom is not the same. Okay, so that's two notes for this column. Now I will um, change the oops. I will change the position of x and y in the second rational by multiply by -1 for the top and bottom. Okay. So then you will have equal to 1 over x minus y multiplied by top gonna be equal to 1 times x minus y. Okay, because -1 multiplied by 1 minus x will be 2 and then change on the side. So then we have the same denominator right now, and that's gonna be equal to 1 over x minus y. That's gonna be it. Okay. Let's move to the next way. Okay. So let's do example number 4. No, I in 4. No, 3. Sorry. Okay. Let's do subtracting. Subtraction. Okay. So let's do an example. I have a plus 1 over a minus 1 over a. So easily you will have a plus 1. Oh, don't forget the parentheses, right? Okay, so minus 1. Then you have bottom as a. 1 minus 1 gone. You have only a over a is equal to 1. That easy one. So let's go with the next one. I'm gonna have let's say 1 plus x over 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Okay, I always have balancing, so don't forget it. Minus 2 minus from the negative 2 divided by 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Okay, so we have same denominator, but I'm thinking about, hey, can we later on factor this? I think maybe, but let's see. So now the top gonna be 1 plus x, right, minus for negative 2. Okay, bottom gonna be 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Right? So after substitution, you will have 1 plus x and then plus 2. Okay, at the top. Now what's the bottom? You will have sidewalk with a times c equal to 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6. And bottom gonna be b, which is 5. Two number multiplied by multiply gonna be equal to negative 6 and addition equal to 5. So I'm gonna say no. What is that? 6 times negative 1. Okay. So remember that this is not a special case with a not equal to 1. So you have to split the middle term to become two term. So so you will have 2x squared plus 6x minus x and minus 3. Okay, so now top will be x plus 3. Bottom will be you wanna try to do grouping. So it's gonna be 2x multiplied by x plus 3. And then the second one, you factor the negative 1, which minus 1 here. Then you have x plus 3. And then you can try to factor the x plus 3 at the bottom, multiply by 2x minus 1. And finally, you can cancel the same denominator and have answer as 1/2 2x minus 1. That's the answer. Okay. Yep, I think that is good. So we just done section 7.3. I will see you later.